Okay, so we were in pages in the last video and we actually created our own pages, and we can click inside them and change settings in there and add new pages. This time we're going to show you how to actually build. So if you click on an actual page and then you hit back on build, what it will do is it will take you back to the build screen where you actually put the information on. So this is the most important bit. You need to decide what pages you're going to have, how they're going to link together, what information you're going to have. First thing you'll notice, there is a background image which you can actually edit. Now, very, very similar to AppShed that we used, you need to have saved the images onto your computer to be able to upload them. So you can't just copy and paste across the internet. You all know how to find images. You need to right click. Here's a tip for you. Right clicking on a Chromebook is 2-finger press on the trackpad, and you need to save image as, and you should be able to save it into your Google Drive, which is still online. And then you should be able to upload images. My one's already is uploaded, but when you go to upload images, it will show you what is in your actual saved Google Drive in the cloud. And you can actually pick pictures. Double click on them even if you can't see the button, and it should upload a different background. So you can have a completely different background, and you can save, and you can tell it to have that background on every single page. So that can change that. Now this is your actual main page. So kind of things you would add, you should always have a title. So title is just a large text box. You can click inside it and you can type. Now notice when you start typing, there are various options you can do. You can make it bigger. You can change its color. Kind of similar stuff you can do in various word processing, and you can do things like center. You can also make things links, which is really, really important. The other kind of probably main one you're going to use is text, because text information is important. I want to learn things when I read your website. So in here, you can type in information, and away you go. Notice the blue lines show where things will go. So if you want to add a picture, you do the same. Now the blue line will show you where that will fit in. But don't worry about it. Anything you add to your page, you can delete it. Be careful, same as AppShed. If you delete something, it will be gone forever. But there's also this little grab handle. If you grab on that, you can actually position it. Now, it's a little bit fiddly, I'm not going to lie. Can you see that little blue line at the right-hand side there? Now, if you do that, what that should do is it lets you put things side by side. Images have various options as well, but again, if you save images from the internet like we did for weeks and weeks on AppShed, you should go to Google Drive and you should be able to, again, there's a button down here, but we just can't see it underneath this screencast. I think if you just double click on it, it should work, and it should let us load pictures, but they have to be saved on your Chromebook. Again, 2 fingers will right click and we'll let you do that. If you click on it, you'll see there's various things where you can replace the image, or you can edit the image in some way, you can center it, you can make the images a link, which happens a lot on the internet. And then it took a little bit of time, and it came. So you can put text boxes anywhere you want. You can drop them. Again, as I said, you can hit on, if you hit on the little blue X, it'll turn red, but if you delete something, you need to be careful. Other things you can do, gallery pictures, what you might find are useful, although there are links that appear at the top, is you might find useful things like buttons. So a button can be quite useful if you want to create your own specific links, so you can put your own text on there, and then there's various settings. So making the actual pages is quite simple. You can change and you can link and you can put things in to go wherever you want to go. But you do need to think about what information and what's going to go in what sections, and you can make this an external link, and you could link it to the actual BBC website.